Welcome to the Discovery Box channel. This lush and mysterious jungle, teeming with vibrant life, is also home to some of the most dangerous creatures on the planet. From venomous spiders to stealthy predators, each of these animals has evolved unique and terrifying ways to protect themselves or hunt their prey. Join us as we explore this thrilling episode. We're diving into the depths of the Amazon rainforest to uncover the top 7 deadliest animals that could end your life instantly. We'll reveal how these animals use their deadly traits to survive in the unforgiving Amazon environment and why they are considered among the most dangerous creatures on Earth. Prepare for an eye-opening journey into the heart of the jungle, where danger lurks at every turn. Bullet ant. One of the deadliest animals in the Amazon rainforest is the bullet ant. The bullet ant, also known as Paraponera clavata, is a species of ant that can be found in Central and South America. This ant is considered to be one of the most dangerous of the Amazon rainforest animals due to its painful sting. The bullet ant is the largest of the Amazonian ants, with a body size of up to an inch in length. It is a type of ant that is dominant in its colonies and that has a well-developed sting. The uniqueness of the bullet ant comes from the pain that is associated with its sting. It is so painful that it has been likened to being shot by a bullet. The bullet ant has an extremely powerful venom that is delivered through its sting, making its bite very painful. The venom of the bullet ant contains an alkaloid substance called ponerotoxin, which causes intense pain. In addition, the protein in the venom is known to cause paralysis and inflammation. The bullet ant has a strong 1-2 punch of defense. It first uses its venomous sting, and then follows up by biting the intruder in order to protect itself and its colony. Therefore, it is important to use caution when approaching these ants. Despite its violent nature, the bullet ant is also an important ecosystem member. They are known to have an important role in controlling other species of ants and even other pests. The bullet ant is an important symbol of the Amazonian rainforest and is one of the most feared of the species of animals residing there. Its powerful sting and defensive nature make it a risk, but following safety precautions, one can still enjoy the incredible wildlife of the Amazon rainforest. Green anaconda. The green anaconda, Unex murinus, is one of the most awe-inspiring and formidable creatures in the Amazon rainforest. As the largest and heaviest snake in the world, this reptile has earned a legendary status both in scientific communities and popular culture. Native to South America, particularly in the Amazon basin, green anacondas thrive in the dense, swampy environments where their massive size and strength make them apex predators. Growing up to 30 feet in length and weighing over 500 pounds, the green anaconda is an immense serpent. Unlike other large snakes that rely on venom to subdue their prey, the green anaconda is a constrictor, using its sheer muscle power to squeeze its victims to death. When a potential prey item is captured, the snake coils around it with incredible strength, tightening its grip with each exhalation of the prey. This process cuts off the blood flow and oxygen, causing the prey to succumb to suffocation or cardiac arrest. Once the prey is immobilized, the anaconda unhinges its jaws and slowly swallows it whole, beginning with the head to make ingestion easier. The snake's elastic ligaments and skin allow it to consume animals that are much larger in diameter than itself. The diet of the green anaconda is varied and depends largely on its size and availability of prey. The anaconda's incredible hunting ability is complemented by its ambush strategy. It spends much of its time submerged in water, with only its eyes and nostrils above the surface, waiting for an unsuspecting animal to come close enough to strike. In addition to their biological significance, green anacondas have a fascinating role in local folklore and mythology. Indigenous cultures of the Amazon often regard them with a mixture of reverence and fear, seeing them as symbols of strength and mystery. Vampire bat. Deep in the heart of the Amazon rainforest, where the dense foliage and the cacophony of wildlife create an almost mystical atmosphere, resides a creature that, while small, possesses a reputation for fearsome danger. The vampire bat, a deadly night stalker of the Amazon. Though not physically imposing compared to some of the larger predators in the region, its capacity to spread deadly diseases, most notably rabies, elevates its threat level significantly. Vampire bats are nocturnal creatures with a rather unsettling diet. They feed exclusively on blood. This feeding process begins when the bat uses its sharp, needle-like teeth to make tiny incisions in the skin of sleeping animals. As it begins to feed, the bat's saliva releases anticoagulants, which prevent the blood from clotting. This unique feature allows the bat to continue feeding for up to 30 minutes without causing significant distress or awakening its prey. During this time, the bat can consume a substantial amount of blood, which it uses to sustain itself. However, the true peril of the vampire bat is not in its feeding habits, but in its role as a vector for rabies, a deadly virus that can be fatal if not treated promptly. When a vampire bat bites an animal that is infected with rabies, the virus can be transmitted through its saliva. This can lead to the virus spreading to other animals or even to humans, particularly in remote areas of the Amazon where access to medical treatment is limited. In such areas, rabies outbreaks can be catastrophic, posing serious health risks to both people and livestock. They contribute to the balance of animal populations by preying on various species, which can help control numbers and maintain ecological stability. Furthermore, the study of vampire bat saliva has provided valuable scientific insights, particularly in the fields of medicine and biotechnology. The anticoagulants found in their saliva have led to advances in blood clotting research and treatments for various medical conditions. While the vampire bat may evoke images of nocturnal horror, it is also a reminder of the intricate and delicate balance that sustains life in the Amazon. Piranha. Piranha, found throughout the Amazon basin and its surrounding river systems, are small yet highly effective predators belonging to the genus Ceresalmus. Typically ranging from 6 to 8 inches in length, these fish are renowned for their razor-sharp teeth, which are specialized for tearing flesh. Piranhas possess a robust and powerful jaw structure, allowing them to inflict serious damage when feeding. Despite their menacing appearance and reputation, these fish are generally not aggressive towards humans. They tend to avoid direct encounters and prefer to stay away from potential threats. However, the presence of blood in the water can provoke a dramatic change in behavior. Piranhas are known to exhibit a feeding frenzy when they sense blood, which can lead to aggressive and dangerous situations. This reaction is not an everyday occurrence, but can happen under specific circumstances, particularly when food is scarce or when the fish feel threatened. Although attacks on humans are rare, they can occur, especially if a person or livestock enters the water and becomes an unintended target. In such cases, piranhas, operating in schools, can rapidly surround their prey and inflict severe wounds in a matter of minutes. This rapid and coordinated attack can be alarming, though it is a defensive response rather than a predatory one. To mitigate the risk of piranha attacks, many local fishermen and river travelers take precautionary measures. These include wearing protective gear like chain mail to shield themselves from potential bites or traveling in groups to reduce the likelihood of an encounter. Despite their fearsome reputation, piranhas are a crucial part of the Amazon rainforest ecosystem. They play a significant role in controlling the population of smaller fish, which helps maintain a balanced aquatic environment. By feeding on weaker or injured fish, piranhas prevent overpopulation and ensure that there are sufficient resources for larger fish species. Poison dart frog. One of the most feared animals in the Brazilian rainforest is the poison dart frog, also known as Dendrobates terribilis. This brightly colored creature is among the most toxic animals in the world. Poison dart frogs can be identified by their vibrant colors, which can range from emerald greens to yellow and black stripes. This bold pattern is more than just attractive. It is a warning to potential predators that this barely inch-long creature packs a powerful punch. The skin of the poison dart frog produces two potent toxins, potent alkaloids known as batrachotoxins and epibardidine. Behaviors such as warning vocalizations and posturing are key mechanisms that keep the native predators of the Amazon from eating poison dart frogs. Although they are capable of killing a human in under 60 seconds, poison dart frogs can be safely handled by humans. There is also a wide variety of poison dart frogs that do not produce toxins at all and are perfect for pet owners. The toxicity of the poison dart frog relies heavily on its diet and environment. The same frog that is harmless in captivity can quickly become deadly in the rainforest. Poison dart frogs play an important role in the Amazon rainforest. Not only do their bright colors warn predators, but they also help protect the local plant life. This is because poison dart frogs secrete toxins that deter insects from munching on the vegetation. Despite the danger of the poison dart frog, their importance to the Amazon rainforest cannot be overstated. This creature plays an integral part in keeping the delicate balance of the ecosystem in check. It is an essential part of nature that should be respected, not feared. The wandering spider. The Amazon rainforest is home to one of the most dangerous species, the wandering spider. Found primarily in tropical Latin American countries, wandering spiders belong to the Thymicidae family and are notorious for their highly aggressive behavior. These spiders have evolved to deliver a potent neurotoxin through their bites, which can be fatal to humans. Most wandering spiders are dark in color, with hues ranging from black to brown, and their legs are often short and covered in hair. Although some species can grow up to 3.2 inches in length, they generally remain smaller compared to other spider families. Interestingly, male wandering spiders are typically very shy and less aggressive compared to their female counterparts. The females, on the other hand, are known to be more active and may roam at night in search of prey. Wandering spiders have earned a fearsome reputation for their aggressive behavior when disturbed or threatened. They are known to bite even without apparent provocation, reacting to being touched, startled, or exposed to rapid movements in their environment. A bite from a wandering spider can lead to severe consequences. Initial symptoms include redness and swelling at the bite site. In more severe cases, the venom can cause tissue necrosis, leading to severe pain and, potentially, systemic issues. Effective treatment often requires antivenom, if available, and in extreme cases where necrosis occurs, surgical interventions such as amputation may be necessary to prevent further complications. Beyond their medical significance, wandering spiders are also embedded in the folklore and cultural narratives of the Amazon region, often depicted as formidable and iconic creatures. Despite their dangerous nature, they play a role in the ecosystem by controlling insect populations and contributing to the biodiversity of the rainforest. Amazonian giant centipede. The Amazon rainforest is renowned for its abundant biodiversity, boasting some of the most varied and unique wildlife on the planet. One of the most feared animals in the Amazon is the Amazonian giant centipede, a giant invertebrate that can reach up to 30 centimeters in length. Also known as the Peruvian giant yellow-legged centipede, this species is a cosmopolitan type of centipede found all over the world, but in the Amazon, it has adapted to grow much larger and more powerful than its counterparts in other areas. This lethal arthropod prefers a moist, humid environment and has fierce predatory instincts, which makes it perfectly adapted to the Amazon rainforest. Due to its impressive size, the Amazonian giant centipede is capable of killing small mammals, reptiles, and even birds with its powerful venomous claws. It has a pair of venomous claws located near the head that can deliver an incredibly painful bite, said to feel like a burning sensation on the skin, as well as cause minor necrosis. The centipede has potent venom that contains several compounds capable of paralyzing and killing prey. Larger mammals, such as monkeys, may even require medical treatment for a bite from an Amazonian giant centipede. Though the centipede is mainly preyed upon by owls and larger reptiles, it remains one of the most dangerous animals in the Amazon rainforest. Huge threat to humans and their livestock, as well as any animals or insects unfortunate enough to cross its path. The Amazonian giant centipede is a reminder of the incredible biodiversity that can be found in the Amazon rainforest. While this intimidating species may be dangerous, its vital role in the ecosystem is undeniable.